Have you ever wondered how to earn income online? Picture this. The internet, a vast and dynamic platform brimming with opportunities to generate income. It's a digital goldmine, where every click, every search, every interaction holds the potential to line your pockets. And the beauty of it all? These opportunities aren't just for the tech-savvy or the business-minded, they're for everyone. And they come in many forms, including sources of passive income that work silently in the background. One such opportunity is a platform known as Honeygain. So, what exactly is Honeygain, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. Honeygain is a crowdsourced network company that offers a unique way for users to earn money online. Think of it as a way of putting your unused internet connection to work. Here's how it functions. Honeygain uses your internet connection to collect bits of information from the web. You know those invisible bytes that are just floating around in the digital universe? Well, Honeygain harnesses those, aggregating them to serve businesses and research organizations who need access to large amounts of data. This might sound pretty high-tech, and it is. But the beauty of Honeygain is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech wizard or internet guru to use it. Once you're connected, Honeygain does all the work in the background, leaving you free to do, well, whatever you like. And the best part? You get paid for it. Yes, how, you heard it right. Honeygain turns your internet connection into a passive income stream, rewarding you for simply sharing your internet. Now, you might be wondering, how can I use Honeygain? Using Honeygain is a breeze. Let's start with the first step, registration. Head over to Honeygain's website. There, you'll find a sign-up button. Click on it and fill in the necessary information. It's a straightforward process, just like signing up for any other online service. Next, you'll need to install the Honeygain app on your device. This can be your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Look for the download button on the website and follow the prompts. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using the credentials you set up during registration. Now you're ready to set up your account. In the app, go to the settings section. Here, you can customize your preferences, like how much of your internet connection you want to share. You can also set limits on usage so you never share more than you're comfortable with. With everything set up, it's time to start earning. Honeygain works in the background, using your idle internet connection to gather bits of information from the web. But don't worry, it's all anonymous and doesn't affect your own internet usage. So how are earnings calculated? It's based on the amount of internet you share. The more you share, the more you earn. You'll see your earnings increase in real time on your Honeygain dashboard. And when you've earned enough, you can cash out directly to your PayPal or Bitcoin account. It's as simple as that. You're now on your way to earning online with Honeygain. So why not give Honeygain a try? It's a question that's worth pondering, especially if you're interested in the realm of online earning. Honeygain isn't just another platform, it's a gateway to passive income that's as easy to set up as it is to use. No complex algorithms, no perplexing interfaces, just a straightforward, user-friendly platform that turns your unused internet into cash. Think of it as a way to maximize your resources, to make your internet work for you even when you're not. With Honeygain, your earning potential isn't capped. It's as limitless as your ambition, as boundless as your internet usage. But perhaps one of the most appealing aspects of Honeygain is its secure platform. You don't have to worry about your data being compromised because Honeygain values your privacy as much as you do. So, are you ready to take the leap? To venture into the world of online earning with a partner that's reliable, user-friendly, and secure? Start your online earning journey with Honeygain today. Remember, it's one mission, one goal: to earn income online.